2017 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, keyless start, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power door locks, fog lamps. Come see the car for yourself.